we find that sadhus, when they come in this world, they also display their antilila pastimes when they have to finally depart this world. And this is the most heartbreaking for any devotee, especially for those who have been with Aindra Prabhu and those who have loved Aindra Prabhu dearly. Aindra Prabhu's departure is always very heartbreaking. But Aindra Prabhu gave various indications of his departure. Once a devotee was going to Loi Bazaar, and he requested Aindra Prabhu that, Prabhu, would you also want to come with me to Loi Bazaar? Because this devotee was going to buy dress for his deities. So when Aindra Prabhu heard, he said, well, no, probably you can go ahead. So this devotee said, Prabhu, why don't you come? You can also see some deities for your Gaur Nitai. So when Aindra Prabhu heard this, he said, okay, I will also accompany you. And both of them in cycle rickshaw, they went to Loi Bazaar. And when this devotee was searching for dress, Aindra Prabhu was also looking for the dress for his Gaur Nitai. But somehow his attention got shifted to a nearby bookstore. And Aindra Prabhu immediately went to that bookstore and was seeing various books. And finally, when this devotees, when he had done with purchasing deity dresses, he came back to Aindra Prabhu and he saw Aindra Prabhu was reading some book. So he was naturally curious to know what book Aindra Prabhu was reading. So he was thinking to himself, maybe it is Govinda Lilamrita, maybe it is Krishna Karunamrita, maybe it is Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi, some very exalted book, because Aindra Prabhu was of that stature. So he was curious to know what book Aindra Prabhu was reading. So he asked Aindra Prabhu that, Prabhu, which book is this? And Aindra Prabhu replied, you won't understand. so this devotee became more curious. He said, Prabhu, at least let me know what the name is. Aindra Prabhu said, no, you won't understand. So then this devotee asked Aindra Prabhu repeatedly, Prabhu, please tell me what the name of the book is. Prabhu, please tell me what the name of the book is. And then finally, Aindra Prabhu turned the book and he showed the cover page. And dear devotees, the cover page read, different hairstyles for women. This was the cover page of that book and Aindra Prabhu was reading it. So this devotee was perplexed. He said, different hairstyles for women? He was perplexed. And Aindra Prabhu said, I told you, you will not understand. And then finally Aindra Prabhu said, I am preparing for my next life. That's it. He said, I am preparing for my next life. And that is the reason I'm going through this book. And the book read different hairstyles for women. So Aindra Prabhu was actually demonstrating that he is none other than Radharani's dear maid servant in the mood of a manjari.